Alright, this is James Armstrong, and this is just a quick little video demo of my animation system for Game Engine 3. So, in this we focused on GPU animation. So, we already, after Engine 2 and my previous videos, had skeletons rendering and working in a data-driven way, importing from FBX files exported from common tools like Maya and the like. And so at that point we just had skeletons. So now the first thing you'll see is skinning. So we've got that all operating on the GPU here. So these humanoids are having the mesh for their skin modified as the skeleton beneath moves, obviously frame by frame, and that's all done in a vertex shader on the GPU. And you also see the two different humanoids. So the pink one here has a different set of properties. Specifically, it's another feature that we added, which is selective keyframe drops. So we do this to compress the size of the animation data, because the animation data is pretty enormous, just because you have all of the transformation information for every bone in the skeleton for every frame, and then once over for every animation that you have. So this humanoid here has 3 different animations. It's got like 80 bones. Each animation has a variable number of frames, but it's like over 50 frames per animation. So anyways, the one on the right here has compressed animation data. So in theory, you will be able to see that his movements are a little bit different, but it depends on how extreme you reduce it, how extremely you compress them. But anyways, then another feature that we have here is blending. So here we go. Okay, that was kind of an awkward blend, but that was me blending between the did I just blend forward and then back again? That's weird. There we go. So that blends between his stab animation and his running animation. So that blend there, that transition, is what we're looking for, right? That smooth transition from one into the next, where he smoothly slows down his run, stops what he's doing, and moves into his punching animation here, right? So that is also done on the GPU. That's actually not done in any different way than normal animation blending. So in normal animation blending, you need to find the current time, and then you find the keyframe before it and the keyframe after it, and you blend between those two. And in this case, you do that for both the source animation and the target animation that you're blending between. And then after you've done that, you blend the results together in a second step. But other than that, the process is the same. And then I've also got another animated model here, although it's a little bit less interesting than the human. That is Teddy. So, Teddy here just has 2 animations. He does not have any compression on him. He has a much simpler skeleton, maybe 22 bones. Yeah, and so Teddy is just simple, same as before, but now with skinning, and same as humanoid, all done on the GPU. Yeah, so those are the major changes to the engine and new features. We have compression, we have skinning, we have blending, and then all of that is of course done on the GPU through shaders, as opposed to being done on the CPU, just because there's so many more calculations to be done. But yeah, those are the major features that we've added. So here they are in action. Hope you enjoyed, and that's all. Thanks.